Let's learn simple sentences in English about kitchen duties. I'll need to chop the vegetables for the salad. Can you peel the potatoes? Let's marinate the chicken before we start cooking. I'll stir the sauce while it simmers on low heat. Make sure to boil the pasta until it's well cooked. I'm going to fry the eggs. Please load the dishwasher with the dirty dishes. I'll wipe down the countertops after cooking. Don't forget to take out the trash after dinner. We should organize the pantry before buying more groceries. The spices are arranged in alphabetical order for easy access. Can you help me put away the groceries? I'll set the table while you finish the soup. Please serve the salad in the large bowl. Let's make sure everyone has a plate before we start eating. These sentences can help you communicate effectively in a kitchen setting.